Hello everyone. I'm here at the Bayport Blue Point Nature Preserve, and we're here together once again. When I first arrived here today, speaking in the now, I saw a beautiful butterfly. It's wonderful. And the birds are flying freely and they love it too, and there's kids here riding their bike and they're with their mom, and it's beautiful. I'm waiting for Amy, and that's okay, you know? Let us not wait to experience joy, to experience the now, to be present with the now, you know? There's so many wildflowers. So many wildflowers. Very, very peaceful here. Hi, Colum. How you doing? I made a video, making a video now, and there's so much beautiful wildflowers. Look at all this vastness that is here for us now. Then guess what? There's no drama. I have my Cornucopia Cafe t-shirt on. This is an old t-shirt, and I have I painted the rainbow because that's to remind me of my own energy. And if this truth resonates with you, with yourself, let it be. I recently had a dream. Oh my goodness, a dragonfly. I recently had a dream, and that dream was that all cultures were coming together. And so it was absolutely wonderful, and that's actually what's happening. And so don't believe everything you hear on the news. Honestly, that's what I'm getting. And I'm getting that we're here to be peace, and we're here to experience peace. And we're here to experience peace now. We're not here to wait to experience peace, bliss, joy. And here's Amy, I believe.